Hi, welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cocktailing with Cannabis. Today, we're going to learn to make a holiday favorite, eggnog. Eggnog has a long debated history and a lot of different cultures have adopted theirs, but most historians believe it started in medieval Britain. They would make this drink called a posset, which is a milky, frothy, ale-like drink, and as wealth grew in Britain, they added eggs and sugar and sherry to the mix as those were the most expensive ingredients. As it moved to North America and most pilgrims became farmers, there was a plentiful amount of eggs, so eggnog became famous. Even George Washington had his own recipe, but let's learn how to make the Cannabis Sommelier's infused eggnog. The star of our show is a single egg. So the first thing you're going to want to do is crack it, and you're going to separate the white from the yolk. We need the yolk. This is a very important part of our nog. So there we go, get most of the white separated. That's perfect. And we'll put our yolk in that side. And we'll put our egg white to the side for now, and the yolk is the star now. So what we're going to do is we are going to add 1 full ounce of THC Infused simple syrup. And then we're going to add, this is a whipped cream that I cut with a little bit of milk just to make it a little bit lighter. And I'm going to put 1 1/4 ounce in. And then I'm going to give this a nice dry shake. Really mix all those ingredients together. Get the sugar to bind with the milk and the egg yolk. You can see that beautiful color coming through. And we're really going to shake this. Okay, that should be good for now. Okay, so our next step is going to be to add the booze and the egg white. So I like to do mine. Traditionally, it's only done with spiced rum, but I like to put some amaretto in. So a 1/2 ounce of amaretto and a 1/2 ounce of Captain Morgan spiced rum. I don't like my nogs too strong, that's why I only put 1 ounce in. Wonderful. And then, of course, we need a little bit of nutmeg. And just 2 nice dashes of nutmeg in there to start. Our egg white goes on top. And then we need some ice. Let's pop that back on. Give it another good shake. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. Take our strainer, take a nice glass. Nog always tastes better out of a nice glass. And we'll double strain to make sure we don't get any ice flecks in there. And just a sprinkle more nutmeg on top. Beautiful. And that's how we make a cannabis infused eggnog. So I hope you'll try this delicious holiday favorite out. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next week, cheers.